Are you ready for the tutorial? Let's go. But before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. You should change the curve as much as you can to make a dark theme for your image. With eraser, you can erase the parts that you don't want to be changed. Then I go to the effects, and the filter that I use for my edit is VIN2. From the sticker section, I take the image of the moon. And with the adjust section, I do some changes to the image of the moon to match it better with the background. I pick up the white light from the sticker section and set the blend mode of it to overlay. And erase the extra parts that come out of the moon. Again, I take the white light for the light of the moon. Go to the curves and darken the light of the image and erase the center of the image. From the sticker section, I take this image from searching the keyword of the space and set the blend mode to add. And do some adjustment from the adjust section. And at the end, from the effects, I set to film 3. And from the mask section, go to the holy and set it to a splash 4. And from hue section, you can change the color. I change it to orange color and set the blend of it to add. You can see 4 shapes above that you can use to change the direction and location of the splash. I go to the effects again and set it to NTRL3 and set the blend mode to darken and erase the center part of the image. Then I go to the stickers and search for the word white light butterfly. And from the adjust section, I do some adjustment to match the color of the butterflies with the background of the image. From the shadow part, I created shadows for the butterflies, and the direction of the shadow, the color of the shadow, and the amount of the shadow can be adjusted as desired. And I choose yellow light for each of the butterflies from the sticker section. And set the blend of the lights to add. And the last filter that I use from the effects part is neon from the artistic section.